The casino. Dania Beach. Is it Dania? Dania Beach, right?
I don't know. Why is it kind of not?
Because I'm supposed to make a right over at the other spot. We're going to the backside.
A lot of people. Well, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe everybody walked here. Arrived.
All right. Here it is.
We have arrived. Dania?
The casino at Dana.
Dana?
Dana or Dania? I think it's Dania.
Someone from Florida, correct us.
It's Dania.
Dania Beach.
Well,
here we are. Let's go see what's inside.
yeah, let's go check it out.
Check it out.
There it is. The casino at Dania Beach. We are supposedly by the beach.
Yeah,
Supposedly.
it's breezy.
It's breezily?
It's breezy.
It's breezy.
Yeah, it's breezy.
Breezy. Alright, here we go. The casino at Dania Beach. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. What is all this? It's all old school stuff, huh? Dania Frosted. Huh. So here is the casino. Oh, is this what it is? This is the
Bowling.
no, it's not bowling. This is what they. This is the stuff that they were showing over at the. Oh, look at this, huh?
I should just wait and watch.
Yeah. They throw it to each other. Let's see.
The ball size is what? Like a baseball?
Then they catch it, throw it back up. Wow. That's some accuracy right there. Some accuracy. Hua! Hua! Hui! I wonder if people could see it in the camera. Hui!
That's a too fast moving for GoPro.
Ho! You think so? Let's see how if the GoPro could catch it. Cat.
My
Hui! Wow. Hua! Alright.
Alright, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Yeah. My back hurts watching it.
Me too. I was doing it for the camera. I had to move around for the cameras. That was funny.
That was funny, yeah.
Oh. The grill on the left. Wow.
Fire Links is very popular.
Yeah, Fire Link is very popular here. Ooh, let's go through here real quick.
We're going clockwise?
Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
So
We're following the crowd. A lot of older machines here.
mixed with some newer ones.
Let's cross over here. Might as well, huh?
Yeah. Slow down.
Slow. This casino is small. I don't think, you're right. I don't think they have any table games here.
They have a card room upstairs.
Oh, they do? Card room.
Poker room.
Probably poker room. Let's walk over here for a second.
I used to love this game
Yeah. I never did.
because I understood it.
I never did. Look at that. That panda looks so sad.
Oh, is it crying?
Yeah.
No one's playing. Dragon Lane.
Oh.
Ah,
Sunrise
they must
bar,
have
huh?
shows.
There's the bar right
Here's
here.
the bar.
Let's go over here and walk out. Wow, this casino is small.
Maybe there's a sports lounge upstairs.
Okay.
stage 954. What is that?
Oh, blackjack, roulette, and craps over there. Well, let's just see what it is. Shall we? Let's crisscross through the middle real quick and then make our way over there.
Oh, I've never seen that.
What is it?
The cheese.
Oh, big cheese.
The big cheese.
Yeah, the big cheese is Chuck E. Cheese. That monkey winked at me. Look at it.
Oh, look at that.
He winked at me.
Coin frenzy. Buffalo. Oh, did you know the world bet here is called Buffalo Bet?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Is it an East Coast thing? Is that what they said?
Yeah, it's an East Coast thing. The world bet is the Buffalo Bet.
Ah. Buffalo.
That's in craps, by the way. Table craps.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
See, they have a good mixture of older machines and newer machines, and
Yes.
scattered all around.
You're right. Oh, look at the ceiling.
Nice.
Let's cut in here.
Chickens are fat.
Oh, little chicken hens. Wow. It's your game that you like to play. That one.
Oh yeah, the pig game.
Lucky Hog. We should go up to this, up there and do a
They have
shot.
Disney.
What? Cinderella?
Buffalo.
It's a Buffalo Carnival. Let's go over to this blackjack, roulette, craps area real quick to see what it looks like.
Yeah.
They have their own room. I might have to put away the camera for that. Oh, I see more. Oh, okay.
Deal or no deal? High limit. Oh, it's the high limit room.
It's the high limit.
Yeah.
Did I miss something? Where's the
High limit.
look, there's oh, so let's go over here first. This is the high limit room? Interesting.
But I don't see the craps table. High limit room.
It just says it. It says it, but it doesn't, they don't have it.
Oh, I see.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
It's high limit.
Okay.
Alright. Dragon link. Dragon. Oh, it says 5 cents. So is it 250? Yeah, it is.
250.
It's 250.
Oh, there's a bar right here. It's called Legends, but it's invited guest only. Wow.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
We're not special, huh?
No, it's okay. They don't have free drinks here.
No, it's not Vegas.
Do they give free drinks in Reno?
Yes, it's Nevada.
Alright.
Yeah. A lot of leprechaun.
Where's the craps table?
They don't have it. They got interblock over
They
here.
have interblocks.
Let's walk over. They have bubble craps. Let's walk over here for a second. Press your luck.
Press your luck.
Yeah. Oh, they got the stadium games over here. Here. See, look. Well, look at the whole area with the stadium games over here. Wow. So this is like the whole interblock section over here. They have bubble craps. It's a minimum. $5 minimum. Wow, this is a whole interblock section here.
$5 minimum shooting.
$5 minimum, huh? Yep. You want to play? No.
So that's it for
No. What is this? Bashiba link. So now I'm gonna walk up, go up these escalators so you can see the view from the top of this casino. Here we are. So supposedly there's a card room up here, but I'm gonna go over here so you can see what this looks like from top. Gourmet buffet up here on the top. And that's the casino. And here's the sports lounge and the card room. That's what it looks like, y'all. And buffets on the other side. That's what... Alright, that's the casino here. Thank you for tuning in. Well, this casino is small.
Yeah.
It looks big. Tall ceilings.
Yeah. Good ventilation. They don't smoke here?
No. I saw a sign that says smoking's outside. No smoking inside.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. But I don't know why all the ticket machines and the ATM machines are off.
Not working at all.
Yeah. Okay. And to get to these stairs, I had to walk
All
out
the way
there
out?
and around. That's so inconvenient. I don't know why.
They did it that way?
Yeah. Yeah.
Farley! I like the one where, yeah,
They have a lot of them here.
they do. They seem to play that a lot here, huh?
Yeah. What is this award for? Oh, that's what they're...
Wow, I swear those athletes are.
Yeah. Pretty good.
So this is what they use to catch. This is what they use to catch the ball.
It's pronounced Healy.
Healy.
Highly. The world's fastest game.
Is that Jai-Alai?
It says right there, pronounced Jai-Alai. Jai-Alai. Okay, bye.
The world's fastest game.
Bye, Alai. Bye, Dania. Bye, Casino. Thank you for tuning in.
Yes,
Like,
that's
subscribe,
it. Thank
or
you.
something. Like, comment, or something.
It helps.
Yeah.